Okay, family and friends, so here's this. Welcome back to my channel, and here's the seasonings that I got from TJ Maxx and Ross. And this one here, I have some of them I have not tried, to be honest. They're still sealed because I got them all around the same time, so I'm working my way into them. I don't want to open all of them and then all of them get, you know, dried out or whatever. So this one here is the first one, and this is garlic lemon seasoning blend, and it has pink Himalayan salt, lemon, garlic, and black pepper. And this have, oh Lord help me, 85 milligrams of sodium, and this was $3.99 from Ross, and this was 7 ounces. This one is called adobo spice blend, and this is 5.11 ounces, and I got this from TJ Maxx for $3.99. And this has 120 milligrams of sodium, which I expect this to have because this is adobo seasoning. So it has in here salt, paprika, salt, paprika, oregano flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper powder, chipotle flake, coriander powder, celery seed, and chili powder. Then this one here is garlic and onion, and this is 7.5 ounces, and this was $4.99 from TJ Maxx. And this has 65 milligrams of sodium, and this has garlic, salt, onion, red black pepper, cane sugar, carrots, turmeric, parsley, black pepper, and oregano, and chive and sage. This is called roasted vegetable and fries, and this is 8.11 ounces. Look like that. This, I haven't done any potatoes, but I will. And this was $4.99 from TJ Maxx, and this has 125 milligrams of sodium, and you see everything there was in it: salt, red bell pepper, paprika, sugar, onion, soybean, garlic, mustard, celery, coriander, and cumin. This one is called kicking chicken finger licking. That's a lot to say. And this was 9.17 ounces, and this was $4.99 from TJ Maxx. And this has 260. That's a lot. It's fine, yeah, because it has salt, onion, paprika, garlic, chili, black pepper, thyme, sage, and oregano. And if you can look at the top of it right there, you can see the salt, like pink Himalayan salt. This is called barbecue bonanza. This is 4.7 ounces, and this was $3.99 from Ross. And this has 90 milligrams of sodium, and it has a lot, and the right is fine, and I'm not going to read all of that. Salt, sugar, garlic, paprika, mustard, coriander. This is the one I told y'all I've been using. See, there's not much in there. And this is a pasta herb blend, y'all. This is good. Okay, and this is 2.3 ounces. Yeah, I don't see how when they're on the same height. And this was $3.99 from TJ Maxx. If I go back and I see these, I'm buying all they have. And this has no sodium, red bell pepper, parsley, oregano, rosemary, sage, celery seeds, thyme, and all of that. And this is tangy garlic with orange, lime, and more. And this was $3.99. I use this in some fry some chicken wings, bake and baked chicken, and this has 47 grams of sodium. And you guys can see lemon, got all that's on there on the front. This one is called the same thing as this one. This is kicking chicken finger licking spectacular spice blend, and this is 6.7 ounces, which is, and 260 milligrams. So it's the same thing. And this was $4.99 from Ross. This one is called lemon pepper citron EA 5.29 ounces. This was $3.99 from Ross, and it has 15 milligrams of sodium in it. And that's all the ingredients there. All right, this one is smoked paprika, chili, garlic, chive spice blend, 4.7 ounces. There's no price on it. I don't know where I got this one from. And this one has no sodium, and that's all the ingredients right there. This one is chili and lime spice blend. I bet this would be so good on some roasted chicken, or chicken on the grill, or chicken on a whole. And this was $3.99, or some fish. And this has 180 milligrams of sodium, and that's all the ingredients that's in it right there. This one is called pepper steak blend, 4.58 ounces. You guys can see this was $3.99 from Ross, and it has 90 milligrams of sodium, and all the ingredients are right there. All right, and I use this one a lot too, and this one is called a roasted garlic and red bell pepper, and this was $3.99 from Ross. No sodium. And I did get my mom a lot of these too. What if I pick up one for me, I picked up one for her, or but okay, so the last one is dill delish. This is 2.46, and this one has 35 grams of sodium, milligrams, same thing for me. That's all that's in there. So yeah, this is all my spice blends from Ross and TJ Maxx. This is my babe. You see that, y'all? Yeah, after I say, well, I got this one from Ross for $3.99. All right, this one. This probably be good with some on some fish, some salmon or something. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to protect yourself, love on who love on you, cherish who cherish you, and check on them even though they don't check on you. Please be safe. Bye.